how to use track changes in MS Word to edit a document. Track change is especially useful if a document is almost ready and you are working with others to make some revisions or want to give some feedback on the document. In that case, you can edit a document with the help of track changes. Track changes is available under the Review tab of MS Word. You can turn on the track changes by clicking on this icon. Once it is selected, it will be highlighted like this. Now let's see how to edit the document with the help of track changes. I have taken a simple paragraph and I will do some changes with the help of track changes. Let's see. Suppose you can see here there is a spelling mistake in defined. So I want to make this spelling as defined and S should be deleted. So I will delete this. Here you can see that the insertion is shown by blue color with an underline and deleted text is shown by a strike through with red color. Let's make few more changes. We can see here some forms of energy. Here we should delete this R and if I want to place a comma here, so I will place a comma here and here should be an, and let's correct this spelling and this spelling. Now here I have made few changes in this paragraph. You can see all the changes very clearly. Now there are more options in the track changes. Now you have made the changes and you want to see how document will look finally. So we can go here and there are 4 options: simple markup, all markup, no markup and original. Let's see what happens with simple markup. Now read this. Simple markups will show you the document will look finally after the applying track changes. And with all markup, you can see the changes which are made by me. And with no markup, there is no changes visible and the line which was representing the track changes in the margin is also disappeared. And in case of original, it will show the document it was earlier before track changes. Okay, so let's see this. This red line represents the track changes. When you will click on this red line, you can see the all changes and click again, you can see the final document. Now, suppose I want to accept some changes and want to reject some changes. So, here is the option of accept and reject. Let's see all the changes. These are made by me. I make a change here. Let's see, I have taken this and okay. So, suppose I want to accept this change. What I will do, I will select this and accept. It will be accepted and you can see track changes is removed from this line. Okay, now let's accept this change. When you accept a change, you automatically move to the next track change. Accept this, accept this. Suppose this change, I don't want to keep this change because it is not correct. In that case, what can I do? I can reject. See, there are not any comments in the track changes in your document. So all the track changes has been performed and all the changes have been accepted. Now you can save this document. And one more thing, if you click on this, there are few more options. Now we don't have any correction. Suppose let's undo some changes. Suppose I select this one. There is option accept and move to the next. If I will click on this, it will accept this change and will automatically move to the next. And if I'll click on this, it will accept only this. And suppose I select the whole document and accept all changes. It will accept all changes at a one time. Let's see this. Okay, let's undo this. And in last option, accept all changes and stop tracking. You want to accept all the changes and no further track changes are required from your end. In that case, you can select this option. Now, track changes is already removed or turned off. I hope this is helpful for you, and thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.